In this video, we are going to install Auxito's 4K P8 series LED turn signals. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Auxito team designed a Canbus error-free LED turn signal. Works on vehicles with sensitive Canbus systems. It's designed to mimic the power draw of the original halogen bulb turn signal, tricking the computer into thinking that the bulbs are going at the same power rate, preventing the vehicle from throwing any error codes. Same plug-and-play design for direct replacement of the stock bulbs. We have 360-degree lighting with 8 1860 LED pieces, 4 on each bulb. They are about 300% brighter than your halogen stock bulb. Throws out about 900 lumens and 28.8 watts. Color temperature is 2200 K. They have built-in load resistor and IC driver with a hollow carved heatsink. 6063 aircraft grade aluminum construction with an efficient cooling fan that increases heat dissipation. You can see the size difference between your stock halogen bulb and Auxito's LEDs. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Here we have a simple install on this Honda Pilot. 2 screws here. Firm grip and pull out towards you. To access the turn signal, you want to turn counterclockwise and just pull out. Here we have Auxito's 2G42 series. We're gonna go ahead and swap them out with the 4K P8 series. All you have to do is firm grip, pull it apart. Grab your new turn signal and go ahead and just plug it in. Now you just want to go ahead and replace it. Put it back in the hole. Make sure the tabs line up and then lock by turning clockwise. Then align your 2 tabs. That's how they look installed. This is the stock halogen bulb. As you can see, no hyperflash. Extremely bright during the day. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.